Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn English at a hotel. You will hear two people, a hotel worker and a guest. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and enjoy. Let's begin.
Hello, my name is Sam. I work at a hotel. This hotel is called the Grand Stay. I am a hotel worker. I help guests every day. A guest is a person who comes to stay at the hotel. Right now, we are in the lobby. The lobby is the first place you see when you walk into a hotel. The lobby is big and clean. There are comfortable chairs here. There is a big desk at the front. That is called the front desk. Guests come to the front desk first. I work at the front desk every day. Come, let me show you what I do.
This is the front desk. Front desk. When a guest arrives, we do something called check-in. Check-in means we welcome the guest and give them their room. Check-in. We welcome the guest. Let me show you a real check-in now. A guest is arriving. Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Stay. How can I help you? Welcome. How can I help you? Guest, Lisa. Hello. I have a reservation. My name is Lisa Park. I have a reservation. Thank you, Miss Park. Let me check. Yes, I can see your reservation. You have a single room for 3 nights. A single room for 3 nights. Yes, that is correct. Wonderful. May I see your passport, please? May I see your passport? Of course. Here it is. Thank you very much. Everything looks good. Here is your key card. This card opens your room door. Here is your key card. Your room is on the 4th floor, room number 408. Thank you. Where is the elevator? The elevator is just behind you, on your right. On your right. Perfect. Thank you so much. You are very welcome, Miss Park. Enjoy your stay. Enjoy your stay.
Now, let me show you a guest room. This is room 408. It is a single room. Inside the room, there is a bed. The bed is big and comfortable. There is also a wardrobe. A wardrobe is where you put your clothes. Look, there is a desk and a chair near the window. Guests can work or read here. And there is a television on the wall. Guests can watch TV and relax. Now let us go into the bathroom. Inside the bathroom, there is a shower. A shower is where you wash your body with water. There are also towels. Towels are soft cloths. You use them after your shower. And, of course, every room has Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi lets guests use the internet. We clean every room every day. A clean room makes guests happy.
Hello, how can I help you? Hi, Sam. I have a small problem. The air conditioner is not working. The air conditioner is not working. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me help you right away. Right away. Here, let me look at the remote control. Press this button here. This makes the room cool. And this button makes the room warm. Cool, warm. Oh, I see. Thank you. And one more thing. Can I have an extra towel? Can I have an extra towel? Of course. Extra means one more. I will bring an extra towel to your room very soon. I will bring it very soon. You are very helpful, Sam. Thank you. It is my pleasure. Please let me know if you need anything else. Please let me know. Now let me show you around the hotel. This is the restaurant. Guests come here to eat. We serve breakfast every morning from 7 o'clock. Breakfast means the first meal of the day. And here, this is the gym. A gym is a place where guests can exercise. The gym is open from 6 in the morning until 10 at night. And look over here. This is the swimming pool. Guests can swim and relax here. The pool is outside in the garden. It is very beautiful in the morning. Let me also teach you some simple directions. If you want to go to the restaurant, go straight. If you want the gym, turn left. If you want the pool, turn right, then go outside. And if you want your room, take the elevator to your floor. These are very useful words for any hotel in the world.
Fantastic work today, everyone. You learned so many useful hotel English words. Let us say them together now. Lobby, front desk, check-in, reservation, key card, passport, towel, shower, Wi-Fi, breakfast, elevator, gym. These words will help you at any hotel in the world. You are doing so well. Keep practicing every day. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Simple English Family. New English videos made just for you. See you next time. Goodbye.